Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision.
Ringo Vision.
Yes, everybody, welcome you. No Wagwan. So today is something completely different. We're frying today Jamaican fried dumpling. As you can see, the process of what just happened earlier. Well, I'll just showing you a little demonstration. All right. So you can see that we made a well in between the flour, and then we use water, and we added salt inside of the water, spanning it around a little bit so that it mixes up, and then we pour the water, as you can see what's happening here, into the flour, and you can see that the dough, we're mixing the dough in to a nice soft texture, everybody. Yeah, it's a good vibes Jamaican fried dumpling, and we've got our oil on deck that we're going to be using today, people. Yeah, and next good vibes. Yeah, man, stay tuned. If you like fried dumpling, you're gonna love these ones, people. Yeah, good vibes. So what it is, what we're looking for when we're making fried dumpling, we want a nice soft dough, everyone. We don't want it to be too stiff like when we're making boiled dumpling. These ones need to be quite soft and a bit moist, and allow the dough to just rest. You understand, people? And then you just mold it into your circular motion, and bap! You have this amazing fluffy fried dumpling after the process of being fried. I'll see you again in a second. Important thing when you're in the kitchen, cleaning as you go along. It's so important while you're in the kitchen to just make sure that things are kept tidy, your nails are kept clean. Hygiene is most important when you're food handling, people. Yeah, good vibes. So what we've just done, we've just added a tiny bit more flour, because if it's a little bit too soft, we need to get the consistency right, everybody. It's all about the consistency when you're dealing with fried dumpling. Yeah, we want that fluffy type of bready type of softness on the inside, everybody, that just more or less melts away in your mouth. Good vibes. Now, you see the dumpling now, yeah? Dumpling is one of them ones there that you can have with literally almost any form of meat or any form of fish, vegetables. So if you're having like a stew fish, like a stewed chicken, vegetable curry, you can always make some dumplings on the side. Dumpling is a good one. It's an additional value, people, yeah, when you're having your dinner. And it's a nice filler as well. It's one of them ones that will fill you up, people. So the dumpling, give thanks for the dumpling. Understand, people? A good vibes. Preparation. So what we've done here, we've added some paper towel in a bowl, just so that when we take our dumpling out of the oil, the paper towel will soak up that last residue of oil that's come out of the pan, everybody. A good vibes. Doing now, we're just adding oil to our pan. So we're going to be deep frying our fried dumplings, so we need quite a bit of oil, everybody. Yeah, so as you can see, we're also using vegetable oil as well. Good vibes. Now our dumpling is just here resting, waiting, which is very good. And that's also good for the dumpling, that when you need it, you don't just use it straight away. You let the flour rest and just formulate and just let itself just release. You understand, people? Good vibes. as you can see what's happening here, you place the dumpling into your hand, you get it as a ball, everybody. You get your thumb into the middle of that dough there, and you start to turn it around in a circular motion. You flip it over, roll it with 2 palms together. Simple process. Flatten it out with the next palm, holding it within 1 palm, and there we go. We've got a flat dumpling, everybody. Very good. So what we're doing at the moment, as the oil starts to get hot, we start to prepare dumpling so that we can just put them straight into the hot piping oil, everybody. Fried dumpling, you know. Okay, so what we've also done as well, we've added some flour on the side just in case it's needed throughout the process of making them, everyone. It's good vibe. And we've also added flour, just sprinkled a little bit so that they don't stick to the container or the plate that you've got them resting in when it's time to pick them up, to put them into the hot piping oil to start frying to that golden complexion, everybody. Just stay tuned. We are making fried dumpling today, everybody. Good vibes. Yes, people, you don't know Wagwan. Yeah, man, it was a vibes, you know. I'm telling you, Wagwan, people, yeah. You see them dumpling there? Them dumpling, there was something, people. Have you tried the dumpling them? Because the dumpling them not a joke thing, you know. What me say? Fried dumpling, Jamaican fried dumpling. Yes. Have to get them Jamaican fried dumpling, yeah. When me say self-raising flour and look a bit of salt and water and oil, and make sure it's thing hot up. That is it, people. Don't forget to do the right thing. Good vibes.